Hello guys, welcome again to this video. In the last video we studied how we can output anything on our console screen. So till now you have compiled, first of all you have compiled the code in the first video where I told you that even the basic syntax of C++ is a complete program that can be compiled and that can be executed. Then we went through how we can output anything on our console screen by an Hello World program. So till now you may have noticed that or there the idea of it may have came into your mind that how does a C++ program executes. We outputted the hello world on the screen, but why does hash include a stream and using namespace string int main doesn't it doesn't output on your console screen? So in this video we will learn how does a C++ program executes. So I have written all the hash include a stream and namespace thing on the board. Let's now output something on our console screen. So first of all, write cout. As my name is Kashif Mahmood, you can output anything that you want, or just you can also output my name on the console if you like. So Kashif Mahmood. One thing more that I forgot to mention is that you have to use semicolon on the end of every statement in C++ program, otherwise it will give you a syntax error. So do keep in mind, because it can cause many troubles at times. So after that I want to print something like C++. After that I want to print I love C++. So let's write, open your compiler and output this or anything that you want on your console screen, but there must be 3 lines like this: 1, 2 and 3. I'm waiting now. So till now you may have compiled the program and output these 3 lines on your console screen. You may have noticed that the output would be like this. First of all, Kashif Mahmood, then without a space, C++, then without a space, I love C++, which means that it didn't came on the next line. You may have thought that as you have written these lines one after another, they may have been displayed on the next line, but it didn't. So the reason is that in order to display these lines after this in the next line on your console, you have 2 methods. First method that you can use is again the extension operator, then N, L. After that it will be like this: C++, then not here. Instead of that, I love C++ will be displayed here. And L is basically the end of line. And another thing that you can use is that in your string you can put \n at the end, which is an escape sequence. We will study that later, but it does the same work that the end L does. So let's get back to the purpose of this video, which is the execution of C++ program. So let's first complete our program by writing return 0 and braces. So in curly brackets. So how does the C++ program work, and why these things till this are displayed on the console and why these aren't. This video has become very long, so let's meet in the next video. In the next video we will discuss what is the difference between compilation and execution, and we will learn how the compilation works and how the execution works.